Hello and welcome to BotPenguin. So in today's video, we're going to learn how to re-establish the connection between the WhatsApp bot and Meta if the connection gets broken down due to any reason. So the reasons could be multiple. For example, the WhatsApp access token could have been revoked or expired. So in that case, what you can do is you can reconnect the WhatsApp bot. And how would you know that you need to reconnect the WhatsApp bot? So if you know that your WhatsApp bot has the frequency of, let's say, interacting with the users every 1 hour. So 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours have passed. You wonder you haven't received any message from a user or your WhatsApp bot has not interacted with any user. So in that case, first you would troubleshoot the WhatsApp bot at your end to check if everything is working fine. And let's see how we can do it. So once you log into your BotPenguin dashboard, just select your WhatsApp bot, go to bot settings, click on WhatsApp profile. So under WhatsApp profile, if you see a red broken error here, that means you need to re-establish the WhatsApp bot connection. Something is wrong. If everything is fine, there will be a green tick here. So now the next step is to establish the connection between WhatsApp bot and Meta. So how we can do it? If you click here on the 3 dots, there you will see this option of reconnecting the bot. And once you click here, if you remember, these are the steps similar to the onboarding of WhatsApp bot. So just check all of the tick boxes and then click on proceed. Continue with Facebook. Okay. So you need to log into your Facebook account if it's not already connected on your browser. So continue as, then click on get started. Click on next. So make sure all these details are as per the details that you had provided when you had configured your WhatsApp bot. So once you select the correct WhatsApp business account, you need to select the WhatsApp business profile with which your WhatsApp bot was already connected. So now click on next, click on continue. And now the BotPenguin is re-establishing the connection with Meta and finish. So this is how you reconnect your WhatsApp bot with Meta. And that's it for today's video.